Hi, my name is Antonette and I live in South Africa. I'm still busy with the course with Jana de Toy and just want to make a testimonial for her. The course name is Attraction Amplified plus AI. And there you learn how to create content and how to get 300 to 600 leads within the 12 weeks of the course. Understanding you as a brand and understanding your audience. She helps you to identify your audience, and she helps you how to go onto Facebook, get into groups and start to networking with the people that you need in your business, entrepreneurship. So she has a way to help you to see clearly what you want to do, and she has a way to help you create the content that you need to do organic marketing. So what the course is about is to help us to get leads for organic marketing and not paid marketing. There is a lot of work involved in organic marketing, but she explains everything to you. She helps you with the type of posts that you need to create to bring awareness to people, and then to start to interact with people, and then to start to build a relationship with people. And before anybody can buy from you, you must have a trust relationship. So she helps you in a systematic way to get those things into place so that you can then get your target audience and start to network with them and start to get them to recognize you, and that you can then with confidence know that you will get clients from this type of way of marketing for an audience for what you have to offer. The sessions is very we laugh a lot. It's a pleasure working with her, and she knows her stuff. I really love the way that she helped us, and all the laughs in between. And then the other thing that I really appreciated is I'm a born again child of God, and she is also a born again child of God. So we can talk Christ-centered entrepreneurship with her. This is really the cherry on the cake. She's also uplifting and motivating through Christ-centered motivation and positive talking, thinking in that sense. So yes, I am really glad that I'm with her. If you know where I was, I had nothing on the table, and now I've got so many content already created. I can really suggest her for people as a coach, a Christ-centered entrepreneurs coach with organic marketing on Facebook. Have a nice day and be blessed.